Pronunciation differences. 10-letter T sounds. Butter. American T often sounds like soft D. Water. American T often sounds like soft D. Better. American T often sounds like soft D. Bottle. American T often sounds like soft D. Metal. American T often sounds like soft D. Kitty. American T often sounds like soft D. Atom. American T often sounds like soft D. Pity. American T often sounds like soft D. Bitter. American T often sounds like soft D. Litter. American T often sounds like soft D. Practice each word out loud.